Welcome to my Witches Cauldron demo. I'm excited to share with you the do's and don'ts of making your own cauldron. First, you will need a rolling pin, a teacup for storing your cauldron, or maybe 3 depending on how many you want to make. Parchment paper for working on. I use a journal to keep mine held down. The fun comes in 3 colours and with 3 mini bath bombs. An orange lightning bolt, a pink circle or moon, and finally a glistening spider's web. I thought I had enough fun for 3 cauldrons, so cut each colour into 3 pieces using a knife. In hindsight, maybe don't do this without a chopping board. And wash your hands between touching colours if you want to prevent the colours from merging. I rolled out the black fun ready to shape into my cauldron. I then rolled out the purple so I could begin forming my cauldron's base. My plan was to build my cauldron up using the teacup, but as you'll see later, this didn't quite go to plan. Next, I attempted to make the rim of the cauldron by rubbing the yellow fun between my palms.
It didn't work. It didn't turn into a cauldron. The teacup was a bad idea. It was supposed to have like a defined purple base, a defined, top and handle. But it just didn't turn out the way I planned. That's where the purple ended up.
It's not quite Play-Doh, is it?
No.
I placed 1 mini bath bomb inside cauldron number 1, which was tiny, so I decided to combine the rest of the fun to make one big mega cauldron. The base was much more substantial, and so was the cauldron itself. I placed my next bath bomb inside and used the yellow rim of the cauldron to almost seal it in, a lot more secure than my first cauldron. My second cauldron was much bigger and much better. I could even place my final bath bomb on top. I think it would be difficult to make more than 2 cauldrons. I used one on new moon and saved the other for my full moon bath. Now it's time for the demo. I also used Bubble Bubble Toil and Treble Bubble Bar, which I did a separate demo for whilst waiting weeks for the full moon. My cauldron did melt into a nice soup, which I had to wedge out with a spoon, which may have led to a minor accident. Very pretty though. I lowered the main part of the cauldron into the water and just hovered it there as I knew it would sink otherwise, and gave the water a magical swish for good luck. Whilst pretty murky, you do get the Halloweeny Lord of Misrule colours with a slight gold glitter. You can use the sludge as a shower jelly type moisturiser. It even works great as a Lord of Misrule shampoo. It might be a little messy for some, but definitely a lot of fun.